In the heart of a dense, sprawling forest, nestled far from the reach of bustling cities, a variety of avian life flourished in a delicate balance of nature's design. Each species of bird, from the majestic eagles soaring high above the canopy to the tiny hummingbirds darting among the vibrant blooms, played a crucial role in this intricate ecosystem. At the break of dawn, the forest would come alive with a symphony of chirps, calls, and songs. As the birds greeted the new day, the wise old owl perched on a lofty branch would hoot softly, bidding farewell to the night, while the melodious nightingales serenaded the dawn with their enchanting tunes. Among them, the weaver birds showcased their remarkable architectural skills, meticulously crafting intricate nests from grass and twigs. Suspended high in the swaying branches, their nests became a marvel of engineering, not only providing shelter, but also ensuring safety from ground predators. In a secluded part of the forest, a pair of peregrine falcons reigned supreme as the fastest creatures in the skies. With their keen eyesight and astonishing speed, they ruled the airspace, effortlessly diving to catch their prey with breathtaking precision. Meanwhile, the colorful toucans flaunted their oversized, vibrant bills, which served not only as a visual spectacle, but also as a practical tool for reaching fruits high in the trees. Their presence added a splash of tropical hues to the dense greenery of the forest. As the seasons changed, migratory birds embarked on epic journeys across continents, driven by instinct and the need to find suitable breeding grounds and abundant food sources. From the Arctic terns crossing hemispheres to the majestic cranes flying in the synchronized formations, their migrations painted the sky with determination and resilience. Yet, not all tales were of freedom and glory. The forest also harbored tales of struggle and survival. The cunning crows, known for their intelligence, faced constant challenges from humans encroaching on their habitats. Adaptability became their key to survival as they learned to thrive in urban environments, scavenging and even using tools to solve puzzles. Throughout these stories, one common thread prevailed: the resilience and adaptability of birds in the face of ever-changing environments. They served as both symbols of freedom and guardians of the natural world, their existence intertwined with the health of the planet itself. As the sun dipped below the horizon and the forest grew quiet once more, the birds found their nests, each settling into a peaceful slumber, ready to greet another day filled with challenges and triumphs. For in the intricate tapestry of the forest, their stories continue to unfold, a testament to the enduring spirit of